All right, guys, we're starting up Pioneer Peak, me and Dad today, and it is, as Dad just stated, muddy. So it'll probably be a real pain coming down this part. But yeah.
Look at all these improvements here. Maybe there's an elevator.
Yeah, they probably have an elevator, something similar. Maybe they have a little. Yeah, I don't recall the rails either.
Oh, really? Wow, they're that big.
Yeah, I think they look pretty new. But yeah, we'll catch you guys higher up. Hello, hello. We're taking our first break here. So we've been walking a little bit over an hour. It's been extremely muddy, but not the worst we've seen. And we're just working our way up. We have that's not gonna like this. We have about 5,000 feet elevation gain still to go. Woo! So, you know, we're really closing in now. But we'll update you as we go. Okay, guys, so we are about an hour and a half in. And we see one of our favorite sites up here, the picnic table. Which means we get a little bit of a break. But we have a nice view over here. I do not know all the mountains' names. But we'll take a little bit of break and then we'll be heading up and kind of see up there. That's where we'll be heading next. All right, guys, so we just finished coming up through that brushy area down there. It was pretty brutal, very, very muddy. Not looking forward to going back down. But now we've broken out of all that. Hopefully that's the last of it. And we'll take a little break. But we'll see you as we start working our way up these false summits. I'm gonna apologize to all the Dad fans, but he is behind us now. We are just solo hiking. He said he's gonna come up to the ridge and kind of see what he feels like, but we're gonna continue on and try to get to the top. I make no guarantees, but I'm gonna give it a good effort. We've just been kind of riding along the ridge right now, and this part's not too steep. But you can see heading right over there. So that'll be our end goal. But yeah, kind of update you as I keep going. Still heading up on the ridge, but there's a flag right there. I actually don't know what flag that is. It doesn't look like, not the American and not the Alaska flag, but some kind of flag. Maybe on the way back down I'll go look at it. But right now I'm too focused on getting up. Hey guys, unfortunately I think I'm gonna have to turn back. It's starting to rain on us a little bit, and that bottom part being so slippery, I don't want to have to walk down there, and if it starts to downpour on us it could get really ugly. So unfortunately we're gonna have to call off the hike for today, but we'll come back some other time and finish it up. I'll try to catch my dad on the way down here. I wonder if he continued this far. Hello guys, we're back. We made it to the top of the ridge, and Dad fans can rejoice, he's back. But yeah, this is a little over 5,000 feet elevation gain now. And there's the imposing peak in the clouds. All right, guys, it's gonna be the last video before we go up. So this is where we're going. So you basically always want to stay on the right side here as opposed to the left. The left has a lot of sheer drops and you might not see the trail to the right side, but it's always there. When both of us came up, we came up separately. We both came up the left side for some portions, and it's just exceedingly dangerous. So make sure you stick to the right, and I'll try to get some videos on the way. All right, guys, we're still working our way up. So that's the top, I believe, right there. So I still got a little bit to go. Dad's doing really good. It was snowing on us for a little bit. But yeah, we'll keep moving up. And as you can see, the ridge is pretty tricky to navigate. So just make sure you're taking your time and you want to stick to this side. All right, guys, so we made it up that. And now we have the final assault, which I think is what I always call it at the end here. It is currently snowing. Yeah, it's a nice view over there. But yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. So, not too much further. You guys see the hail? You see what I go through to get you these videos? You see what he goes through to get you these videos? All right, real quick update, guys. We're heading down. It's starting to really hail / snow on us. Rocks are getting slippery, so yeah, taking safety into consideration and heading down. Guys, look at these flakes. These flakes are, it's like coming down on us.
It's legit snow.
Yeah, legit snow. Man. Well, we're safely down most of this. And then we're heading on the ridge going back. And so we're gonna call where we got to the top. It may or may not have been. All right, guys, so we're safely down. Didn't die. And as you can see, most of it cleared out, but not at the top. The top's still really just stuck in the clouds. But there's a big turd right there.
Yep, that's our marker.
And that's how we know we're on the path. Well, guys, now it's raining and it is extremely muddy down here. So if you're coming down, make sure to try to grab the tree branches on the way. It's extremely slippery. Hello, guys. It was just downpouring on us. We have probably made progress of like half a mile in an hour. It's literally the worst. It's like walking on ice. So yeah, don't get caught in rain.